Welcome back. I am Vincent Basile. If you do not know who I am or what I'm doing on the screen, this is the Rad skate park check-in across New York City. But you knew that already. Right now we are at Owl's Head Skate Park, also known as Millennium Skate Park, Brooklyn, New York, episode number 26. Just take a look. Welcome to it. Owl's Head. All right, welcome back and welcome to Owl's Head. Right off the bat, as soon as you step in the gate, you got this little mini bowl right here. Also connected to it is a Euro gap on that side. And then there's this Euro here. Pretty big, actually. Right here? Sure. Then there's a roll-in right here. And it's like almost emulates a pool. And then massive quarter pipe right here, guys. Not too big of a bank, you know, starting where that bowl is. Then it gradually gets steeper and bigger. And then you have this quarter pipe section, this wall. Bigger than usual. Looks massive. And then this rolling section right here. I was looking at that before. I don't know why I was looking at it. I don't know. Moving forward in the park, here you got a transfer. It's like a little hip section. You transfer over. It's got this quarter pipe, and on that side, same quarter pipe. The quarter right here too, which is more inviting than that quarter pipe. Definitely get it rocking over here first before you get it rocking over there. Actually like 6 inches. Another transfer, but spine, quarter to quarter, and it actually looks about as high as that quarter pipe. The space on the spine is more than usual. Start on the smaller quarters and then work your way up to the bigger quarters. Sun peeking out. Hello, sun. Here's a section that kind of looks not that intimidating. You got another transfer, but it's a flat top, so you get whatever you want to do here. Cruise through. Also use it as a quarter too. No coping. If you're afraid of the bigger stuff here, you mess around with this stuff, and it's attached to a hubba. It's a big hubba too. Maybe you use the bank for extra air, get more speed. These hubbas look pretty big, man. Get a closer look too, just so you guys know I'm not lying to you. Not too bad. And then we're standing on A-frame, which got like a manny top. Big A-frame, you could transfer it or you could use it to get speed. On the other side, they're like quarters. These are banks. Here's something different. bigger bank, massive. The incline's not too bad though, but it's still a big bank, guys. But this is rad. I like this section they have here. It's a hip, this quarter turn, like emulates a bowl. Check that out. It's cool, it's different. Start thinking outside the box. Ant just pointed out the ground over here. I guess you gotta be careful. And then this quarter here, which is probably just as big as that quarter over there. And then wall ride things, different. It's put into the bank and it's got that coping on top. Billy Smith, shout out to you. I remember when you hit that. We miss you, Billy. Hopefully he's watching the videos right now. Hi, Billy. Talking to you, dude. Love you, man. I hope the surf's good in California. But there it is. Almost the same shaz on that stuff. Let's go, man. You're up. And then the little homie too, bro. No. The next section, which is super rad here. I know a lot of you people come here for this thing. Let's check it out. Check out this rad ass bowl. 2 roll-ins on the bowl, or you could drop in. The spine here. And I guess your smaller walls, you know, they're probably 5 to 6 foot walls. A lot of leaves. Bring a broom. It's a deep end. Pool coping. Shout out to you guys that ripped this thing. I like street. I'm a street skater, if you could even call it that. I like street. Let's just say that. I like street. Here's the pool. There's a little water in it. I wish I had a towel. Winter time, man. You know it's cold, so it's winter. You got to deal with the cold and skating it. You don't have the great weather all year round. But I'm not complaining. We're here. Give you an episode like we always do. Brooklyn's. That's what we do. Ground report here. It's great. There's a few cracks, but there's a lot of trees, so there's a lot of leaves. You know what I say. Bring the broom, folks. But usually they have a good cleanup crew. They come here all the time. Shout out to the Brooklyn Destroyer. We didn't hit you up because it's so last minute, but we're at your local. It's getting dark early. We came a little late, but we're gonna hit this bowl. Just to let you know in the ground report. We're gonna hit the bowl. Pretty good. Ride around switch. All right, so we came to Owl's Head. We tried to hit all the features. We showed you the features. Thank you, Gustavo. Tony, forget about it. Thank you. Thank you to the watchers. Substance, I think, is next. Andrew, you'll be hearing from me soon. I'm gonna hit you up and we're gonna come in, shred that park to close out Brooklyn. But we're closing this spot out. Please like and subscribe. Hit that button. Check out our Instagram page that we're constantly feeding you guys content at Rad Boardsport Co. Facebook, where all you politicians and doctors are. If you like the merch that you see, check out the site at www.radboardsport.co. Check out the interactive map that we've been working on. I haven't been working on it. Auntie's been working on it. And catch us on the next episode. We're signing out of here. Don't forget to ride all day.
this, I'm true to this.